What's going on, Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back. More tech and more reviews. And right in front of me, I have the brand new Magic Keyboard. Well, not so much brand new, but it is a new color. Let's check it out. So we're going to get this thing unboxed. Just came in, and it actually came in right after my iPad got here. So I couldn't wait to do the video of the unboxing for the iPad, and then like an hour later, this guy shows up. So without further ado, let's get it open and let's see what it looks like. So as usual, the unboxing experience is pretty much the same. It's just take the plastic off, peel the tab off, open the box, do all that good stuff. And then you get graced with the presence of this thing right here. Now, there's nothing else in this box. So we're going to put this top back on. I'm gonna sit it right down here on the floor. And then we got plastic here. Now, I did a video before this thing actually came out, and I talked about the actual ability to be able to get this thing dirty. Like, it's white. Like, I used to get fingerprints all over this gray one all the time, this gray black one. I used to get fingerprints everywhere, and it's hard to keep it clean. I kind of feel like the white one is gonna be even harder to keep clean. But let's take a quick look at it. First off, let's get all this stuff out as well. So you got your instructions and all that good stuff. And this is just a thick piece of paper down on the floor. Dump all this out. And we got everything out of there. And it's probably some stickers in here, like as normal. This is just telling you how to put the iPad on. If we don't know that by now, we probably don't need an iPad, and that's it. So no stickers, no nothing. All right, cool. So just to let everybody know, no stickers came in that box. Like, people, you would be surprised at how many people actually want you to take the stickers out and show the stickers that come with the Apple products. So I was just making sure, double checking. I can't remember if I got any last year, so wanted to double check. All right, so let's look at this. Since we got this thing right here, first off, looking at it just like this. Now, you are going to have the pin connectors right over here on the side. So that's how you're gonna power this thing. It doesn't plug up. It doesn't connect to anything except for the iPad. 3-pin connector right on the back. You do still have a really nice and soft back. So when you lay your iPad down there, no issues. Nothing's gonna happen. No scratches, no nothing. Really soft. It does still hinge, just like so. And we'll test that out a little bit more once I put the iPad on it and we check out the actual typing experience. On the inside, what I'm finding really nice about this is this inside, if you take a quick look at it, it's made out of like an aluminum colored material. So white, 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 silver on the inside. And then you get the keyboard itself. Now, the keyboard is your standard Magic keyboard. Nothing more, nothing less. You still have the same keyboard layout. The trackpad is still exactly the same. No shortcut row has been added, which that was like the biggest gripe. Like, add a shortcut row. If you're gonna get a new one, add a shortcut row. So let's do this. I'm going to take my iPad. And by the way, this is the M1 right here. Got it. Just came in today. Let's do this. This is the 2020, and this is the one that just came out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just line these up right here. And like I said, same exact layout. Both of them have backlit keys. Both of them have the hinge motion, just like so. These are the exact same device, other than this one is white. Trackpad still exactly the same size, nothing different. Apple logo, if you can see that Apple logo, check it out right there. and it may be kind of hard to see. I'm gonna hold it up. Maybe able to make it out. It's like right there in the center. Like it's hard to come up on the camera. Like I have to just get a close up. But you got the Apple logo. Putting this one up. All right, so we got that out of the way. Got it unboxed, and we talked about the color and what it does and all that good stuff. Now, we're gonna put the iPad right there. Boom, locks into place. And you know that this thing is really strong. We had no issues out of that last year. Closes, and we do get the auto sleep wake function. Let's go ahead and check that out. Auto sleep wake, and closing. Auto sleep wake, and closing. So this one over here, this one to the side, this is my iPad from last year. This is my 12.9. This is the 2020. And we see we got the new one right here. So I'm just gonna open this up, sit it to the side. And we're gonna take the old one, you know, because I got the skin on the back of the old one to differentiate. And we're sitting the old one in the new Magic Keyboard. And here we go. Fold shut. There seems to be no issues with any gaps, nothing like that. Everything still looks really good, even with this new keyboard. So a lot of people had questions, will the new accessories work and will they go vice versa? So the answer to that is going to be yes. Still working. We also have the auto sleep wake function, no issues there. Hinges, still really nice. So we're gonna actually try out some typing, and let's see what we got. Still handles, still nice and responsive. Okay, still responsive, no issues. You still get your multiple angles when you want to stand. Gestures are still working. Everything looks good. Pull down. Let's see, pull down. There we go. So we actually got everything working. Gestures look really good using fingers. Do that. Go home. Boom. Swipe up and hold. Oh, wrong thing. There we go. Swipe there. Boom. Two fingers. There we go. Swipe up and hold. It's still just as responsive, which we didn't expect anything less. All the functionality is still there. It's just a color change, a slight size change. And like I said, this is 2020 in here right now. Boom. Drop it. It works. Auto sleep wake still works. There are no gaps in between. And let's do this. Get this open. And this right here is the new one. This is the M1. And it's still working. There are no issues. And it works the same on both devices. So just keep that in mind. And you still, let's say, boom, you still get the auto sleep wake. No gaps, which it shouldn't be any gaps on here anyway. And now let's say that you have the old Magic Keyboard and you got the M1. M1 fits right in there. Old Magic Keyboard. Unlock it. Let's see. Everything still looks good over here on this side. Scrolling is nice. Oh, we don't want stocks right now. Let's do this. We know that this one types. Everything is perfect with this one. The gap. Auto sleep wake. You get the click. There is no gap in between there. Everything looks good, feels good, and it fits good as well. Now, keep in mind, I do not have a screen protector on either of these right now. I do have videos coming with screen protectors very shortly, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you get all these iPad notifications. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This has been a quick unboxing and just a trial of the Magic Keyboard 2020 versus the 2021. What works with what? We already went through all that. The old and the new actually work interchangeably. and there are no issues. Everything feels good, fits good, and looks good. And we'll have to talk about those screen protectors when we get to them. That's why I said stay tuned. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.